Capitol Hill. Senate Republicans have just delayed a vote on their health care bill until after the 4th of July recess because they just don't have the support.
CBS 2's Alice Gaynor is in our newsroom with details on that. Alice?
Christina Maurice, 6 Republican senators publicly opposed the measure. And in an effort to try and work through this, GOP senators are meeting at the White House with President Trump right now.
We will not be on the bill this week, but we're still working toward getting at least 50 people in a comfortable place.
A major setback in the Republican effort to repeal and replace Obamacare. 6 Republican senators oppose the health care bill as it's currently written. GOP defections increased after the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office estimated that 22 million people would lose insurance coverage by 2026 under the bill.
It's difficult for me to see how any tinkering is going to satisfy my fundamental and deep concerns about the impact of the bill.
As we said yesterday, the CBO is a budget office, and while it does very well at times predicting things on budget, whether it's revenue or spending, I don't think it does a great job, and I think the administration's been clear and consistent that we don't always agree that it does a great job predicting coverage.
Governors from both parties are also weighing in because many of their states expanded Medicaid under Obamacare, and the Republican plan would slash funding.
It's time for the Republican Party and the Democratic Party to realize we are at a potential meltdown, a division between the rich and the middle class.
The CBO projects 15 million people would be forced out of Medicaid by 2026, resulting in a savings of $321 billion. Senate Democrats slammed the GOP plan.
Don't take health care away from people who need it most to give a tax break to those who need it least.
This afternoon, GOP senators arrived at the White House by bus.
This will be great if we get it done, and if we don't get it done, it's just going to be something that we're not going to like, and that's okay, and I understand that very well.
5 of the Republican holdouts don't believe the bill goes far enough in repealing Obamacare. Senators Heller and Collins think it goes too far in cutting Medicaid. In the newsroom, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.